What's good, family? So good to be here with you. So, you've obviously seen the thumbnail, and so you know the cards, and we're going to actually start with the Victory of Miriam, number 41, which reduces to 5. And we're in the month of May when I'm recording this, but this is a timeless message. So whenever it locates you, there's something here for you. Take what resonates as confirmation and leave the rest. I'm going to read from the book here. Number 41, Victory of Miriam. If you are longing to caress the moon, don't turn away from it. If you are not ill, why do you crawl under a blanket to hide? You are in a quarry of sweets. Why do you look so sour? You live in the spring of life. Why are you withered inside? Don't fight against yourself. Don't flee from what could be your glory. Like a fearless moth, dive into the flame. Why be linked to your obsessions? Burn out in the flames. Until your heart and soul are enlightened, get out of the old carcass and form yourself a new body. Why are you afraid of a fox when you descend from lions? Why be a lame ass when you have the strength of stallions? The beloved you seek will arrive to open the door to your fortune, for love is the key that opens all your locks. Rumi. You feel you are immortal, and I know you are divine. You feel you are not ready for the task, and I know that triumph is only moments away. You reach to me for protection, but you are me, and the protection that you seek is already with you. We are not apart. I am living through all that you are and all that you love, all that you have lost and all that you offer to me in surrender. I am in you as your courage and magnificence, and any task I send to you is simply one of the tasks for which you were born. You are an eagle with wings, ready to soar. So I push you from the cliff top that you may know yourself. Oh my goodness sakes. Earlier today, I just recorded a message that had all sorts of eagle messaging in it. And I think it was like something about 3 days. You'll see this 3 days before. That's the title. And it has eagle messaging all throughout. So this is so wild that we're having this eagle messaging again. This oracle brings you a message of affirmation and success. Your victory is already assured. You are being led into it now. No matter if you believe it is not possible, and you are placing more faith in the appearance of distraction or obstacle than in utter success. No matter if you have forgotten for a moment that the divine lives in you, as you, and that apparent failure is only a part of the process. The plan through which learning happens, serving the ultimate holy victory. Yes, your victory is inevitable. So you are being given this reminder from the Holy Mother, Mary. Oh my gosh. This is just so full circle. Also called Miriam, and the beloved divine presence of love that she serves. It is that presence that is real. It is the Holy Mother that is real. It is the divine in you that is real. And all else swirls around you so your soul can play. Every challenge and adventure is an opportunity for you to test your mettle and to be what you are in truth. The eagle that flies requires space and open sky. The tigress that hunts requires hunger to drive her to fulfill her being and live her nature. You need what you need to realize your divine nature as a living, holy expression of the greatest love. So life is providing for you that your needs be met. Whatever may be troubling you or is soon to present itself is not a situation or circumstance meant to bring you trouble. You just need to allow yourself to become more eagle-eyed, beloved wild one. It is not what appears to be that is the source of challenge for you, not at all. It is only how you are viewing the situation. Can you allow yourself to shift perspective? Yes, you know this is truth. It is only in forgetfulness that fear creeps in. Oh yes, to forget for a moment that you are divinity and to lapse into erroneous belief that the challenges are more real than the love they veil. No, the real challenge is in the attitude, not in any circumstance or situation. Will you remember that all divinity manifesting and nothing exists outside of it? Will you remember that all is divinity manifesting and nothing exists outside of it? All is perfectly designed to help you fulfill your being, to live your truth, experience your power, and reside in the perfection of your divine, loving heart. Be curious rather than afraid. What is loving seeking to draw out of you now? It is always love in interaction with you, even if sometimes you feel like you are hauling a massive rock on your back up the steepest of all hills to build a temple at its apex. Yet, when the temple is built, overlooking the ocean, and a startling burst of golden orange sunset explodes across the water, turning it gold, you'll forget about climbing that hill. You'll just drink in the view instead. You'll forget what you were supposed to worry about. Oh, don't you hate when that happens? You'll just have to love in that moment and be peaceful instead. It makes more sense to notice the sunset than to turn your back upon its glory and grumble about how heavy those rocks were. Then, in your inspiration and your forgetfulness, you'll dream of another temple and the process of creation, perhaps with more lugging about of great heavy rocks, and it will begin again. But then so too will another captivating sunset be granted, best witnessed in your newly built temple, that renders you speechless and spellbound. This oracle brings you guidance and comfort. Whatever is going on in your life right now, whether it brings you joy or deepest struggle, is the divine in you, as you breaking through into your life. Do not hesitate to trust in it, embrace it fully, and let it have its way. There is nothing there that needs to be resisted. You are safe to be wild, to be alive. Live it with love and let it unfold. The promise of success is yours, so allow yourself to be brought to it through the guiding wisdom of life, the life that serves love. There is also a part of you that is daring to love, to live and to trust, more so than ever before. You are even daring to quit the traumatic tendency to relive so many past hurts and aches. You no longer want to taunt yourself with failure and critique. You are less frightened of yourself, so you do not need to sabotage yourself anymore. You are learning love's way and claiming it as your own. That is your path to victory assured. This oracle asks you to trust in your growing optimism, to let the war be over now and put it behind you, even if it means weeping with sweet sorrow and relief for a while. The sunset is golden. The struggle is behind you. Now just rest and enjoy the golden glow as you rest with love a long, long while. Wow. So this is from the Rumi Oracle by Alana Fairchild, and that was the Victory of Miriam, number 41. Now we are going to go to that wide open card, which is from Colette Baron Reed, the Enchanted Map Oracle cards. And we're going to read here number 42, wide open. You are free to express your uniqueness to the world and share in all the bounty of life's endless possibilities. All manner of opportunities are presented to you at this time. The wide open card is a signal that you're able to truly manifest your dreams and that your goals are in sight. Don't remain small and contracted. Instead, expand your horizons beyond what you believe to be your limitations. You have a unique voice that needs to be expressed in the world. The universe is supportive of new ideas and approaches at this time. So speak up and speak out. This card is a sign of the maverick who freely roams the wide open space of possibility Allow for a greater vision to replace old ideas as you dream a grander dream. Wow. And then we had from my deck, we have a new dimension of love is aligning, affection, prophesy according to your revelation, and meditation. Wow. So this new dimension of love that is aligning, just like it talked about in the Victory of Miriam, it's not just about external love, but it's also a new dimension of love within yourself that you're experiencing within yourself because of a decision, like it said, to not be so afraid of yourself and to not be so judgmental of yourself, but to rather embrace life and forgive yourself for what you didn't know. Allow yourself to be on the journey just like everybody else, learning and growing. Give yourself that affection. Meditate upon your dreams, like it was saying in the wide open card. You're like, everything is possible. There are infinite possibilities. So meditate on the higher, dreamier timeline. Allow it to play out in your mind like a movie. That's one way of prophesying according to your revelation, is actually visualizing the scene. Allow it to play out. And I do believe that as we set the frequency of love within ourselves to a higher height, it really does magnetize, therefore, to an external love that is better and greater than anything we've ever known, because the deeper that we are able to love and meet ourselves, it will mirror the way that we're able to meet the depths in somebody else, and same with them being able to meet our depths. If we have walls up, or just simply have never gone there, then another person will never be able to go there either. So I pray and manifest that this message locates whoever it's for. And I welcome you to join our amazing community. I just love the support and love of the people that are here, that are gathered here. And I welcome you to subscribe and stick around and check for new videos that come out at least on Tuesday and Thursdays, and maybe with some bonus readings in between. For anyone who feels called, there will be a tip jar in the comments. I greatly appreciate any support that you are able to share. Never feel obligated, only if you feel led. And it will go toward a single mother raising 2 children, aka me. And I will, one of my goals is to get another computer that has more storage so that I can continue making Ascension audios for the co-channel, the Seed, Soil, Water Spa. And I also have music in the works. So my current computer is maxed out on memory, and I find myself limited in what I'm able to do. So if that is something that you feel called to support, then I appreciate it in advance, and check the links below. Be blessed, be well, be free.